Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, we want to solve this simultaneous equation using substitution method. Okay, so now let's do this. Solution. We have 2x plus 3y equals to 12 to be our equation 1, and we have x minus y equals to 1 to be our equation 2. Okay, from equation 2, I want to make x the subject of the formula. From equation 2, equation 2 is x minus y equals to 1, and then I want to make x of the formula, then x becomes 1 plus y. Okay, so x equals to 1 plus y. So it means anywhere you see x in equation 1, you write 1 plus y. That means if you substitute for x in equation 1. Okay, and then what is our equation 1? We have 2x plus 3y equals 12. That is our equation 1. So anywhere I see x, I write 1 plus y. So 2 open brackets, 1 plus y plus this 3y equals 12. Then I will expand this. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times y is 2y plus 3y equals 12. These are like terms. 2y and 3y are like terms. Then I'll put them together. 2y plus 3y gives 5y equals 12. Then I will take these two to the other side. This 2 is a constant, 12 is a constant. 5y equals to 12 minus 2. And 12 minus 2 is 10. So we have 5y equals 10. And how do you find our y? Our y equals to 10 divided by 5. Then y equals to 2. Now let's find x. We can find x using equation 2. Equation 2 says that x minus y equals 1. And then since our y is 2, we can replace it here. Alright, so don't forget this is our equation 2. X minus y is 2 equals to 1. Then we take minus 2 to that side, it becomes plus 3. That is 1 plus 2. Finally, our x is 3. So our y is 2 and our x is 3. Okay, guys, so let's try this. Solve simultaneously x plus y equals 4, equation 1, and y minus x equals 8, equation 2. Find x and y. Okay, guys, don't forget to drop your answer in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you.